guys, it's me, Is here, and today we're going to be making giant slime. I'm so excited. This pink slime is a slime that I made earlier, but the slime that I'm going to make right now is going to be a different color. So let's get on to the video. My supplies are Elmer's Safe Non-Toxic Glue, a bowl, a mixing tool. This is a spatula that I'm going to use, a 1 cup measuring cup, so I can measure how many glue cups I'm going to use, food coloring of any of your choice, and activator. My activator is Gain, which is detergent. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with 1 cup and see how many cups I would like to use. This glue is very thick, so I'm going to put it on the table so I can measure it, so it could be a little bit faster. So, that's good. I don't want it to overflow. So let's start with 1 cup. I think I'm going to go with 2 cups. That sounds about right. Okay. So, put another cup. Okay, so I'm going to add the other cup. And an easier way to do this is with your spatula. Put it inside it, or your mixing tool, so you can get all of the glue out, so you won't waste glue and you'll have more slime. So you can, like I said, you can add any food coloring of your choice. So I choose purple. So food coloring is very strong, so make sure to add 1 drop at a time so you won't get the wrong color. I'm gonna add just 1 drop. So right here, I'm not gonna mix it. I want it to be a light purple. This is so pretty. I love it so much. Whenever you add the activator, you want to add a little bit at a time so it won't be overactivated. When it's overactivated, it won't stretch, which is a big thing for slime. So I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. Whenever you know it's starting to activate, it's gonna get thicker. So I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. And there's all different kinds of activators. Like there's detergents, and there's contact solution, and there's Elmer's Magical Liquid Glue. There's all kinds of detergent that you can use. But I use detergent because it's easier and it's around my house and it can be easy to access. So I'm mixing it up and it's starting to stick to the bowls a little bit right here. And it's starting to get thicker. And you want it to be, and Elmer's school glue is it's a very thick glue. So if you don't know what thick slime is, it's basically, it pokes better like this, and it makes more noise, which I like noisy slime. So that's why I choose Elmer's. And detergent is it's a very fast activator, but the bigger the slime, the more activator you'll need. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more activator right now. And then whenever you know that the slime is ready, it'll start sticking off the bowl. And this is what I call trick or treat, because it's sticking to the bowl. It's not sticking to the bowl. That's when you think it's ready. But it's actually just the activator pretending not to stick to the bowl. But once you mix it enough, you'll see that it still sticks to the bowl. And you want to test it every once in a while to see if you need more or less. So I'm gonna mix it, mix. It's trick or treating again. I don't want that. It's starting to get very good and very oozy, as I like to call it. It's oozy, nice and oozy. I like an oozy slime. More activator. So it's trick or treating. I don't like it when it trick or treats. So it's doing good right now. I like it. I love it. I love slime to make because it turns into a liquid to a solid, and that's my favorite part about making slime. It's very good to make. I love it so much, and I love this color of it. It's kind of like a lilac color, and I love it. It's like very oozy and stretchy, which I love about it. It's a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. So whenever you add activator, try not to pour it out of a gallon or whatever the container is called, or else you might add too much. So that's why I put it in the cup of it, the lid of it, and then it's easy for you to do. So it's starting to actually stick out of the bowl because you can see white right here. You can see white right there. So at this point, I'm gonna dump it out. Take the spatula out, and I'm gonna dump it out. That's one of my favorite parts. I'm gonna dump it out. Get it off my hands. I like to poke it. It's called ASMR, which is when you're quiet and you get to hear the noise. So I'm gonna do some ASMR. At this point, it needs a little bit more activator, which is not a problem. So I like to rub it on the slime and then poke it, so whenever you poke it, it doesn't stick to you. Now I like to mix it with my hand on the table. It might get like this, but that means it's just activating. So don't worry whenever it gets like that. Don't throw it away, because that's a good slime. So I'm mixing it. I like the colors of my pink slime and my purple slime. Like I said, the lilac is a very pretty color for me. And the good thing about food coloring is that you can choose any color you'd like to make your slime personal and unique, just like you. Ooh, that's so, did you hear that? That was so amazing. I love making slime like that. I'm gonna make a bubble with it. If you don't know how to make a bubble, this is a tutorial of how to make a bubble. You push it back, then you put, it's a bubble, and then you pop it. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.